This is a free lesson from my freelancing course for designers and developers. To get more information, check out the end of this video or read the description below. One more factor which can separate you from other freelancers or freelance herd is that your feedback speed is very awesome. So if you have a very slow speed of feedback and you reply to your clients after 2 days or 3 days, then this is really going to hurt your freelance career. Okay, so let's see what we can do about feedback speed and what are the tips I have for you. Feedback speed is really necessary even in user experience, even in website loading. If your website loads slowly, you are likely to close it up. If it takes 5 seconds or 10 seconds or more than 1 minute, you are really going to close it. Okay, the same effect happens when you are a freelancer and some client asks you about something and you are going to reply him after 2 days. Okay, so this also works with client communication. If you are very slow with your client communication, then it is really going to get you in trouble and you will start losing jobs. Okay, so my recommendation is always reply within first 24 hours. If you can reply within few hours, then this is the best thing. Okay, keep checking your emails after 2 hours or 3 hours on your mobile phone and try to reply in just 2 or 3 words or maybe 2 or 3 lines, so the client is satisfied that I got my reply and he's working on the project or he's trying to solve my problem. Okay, now the key takeaways is that your response speed really matters. When you apply online on freelance job sites, you should be very responsive. Even it's a factor, most of the freelance sites, they consider it and try to measure it. Okay, so be careful. On upwork.com, they check your response speed and reply to your clients when you apply on any job. Second thing is that your unresponsiveness is going to make your client angry. Okay, so avoid that. Even if your client is unresponsive, this can make you angry a lot. Okay, sometimes clients are like that. Third thing is that when you are replying very fast, you might have a chance to get hired first. Okay, so these are the things you need to keep in mind. If you have applied on a job where there are 50 freelancers and the client replied you that I need to interview you right now or within 2 hours or 3 hours, then I think there are chances that he is going to hire you first if you reply first. Okay, now the question is how to be more responsive. Okay, now this is the solution. First thing is that you need to check your emails every hour or maybe every 2 hours. Use your email notification sounds. If you have an email app on your mobile phone, then try to check it. Always be present on Skype. Show yourself online. Okay, so smartphones can help. You can install Skype app on your iOS device, iPhone or an Android, Samsung phone or whatever you use, and see if someone messages you, reply them after a few minutes. Okay, so if you are sleeping or you are very busy, just let them know that I will talk to you later. Right now I am sleeping or maybe I'm working or I'm busy. Okay, so just to satisfy them. Also, the apps like Viber or WhatsApp, these can also help. You can get a call from your client on these apps. Now, the key takeaways are calling your client is better than long emails. So if you want to clear up something or you want to ask some questions, if you ask them on one-to-one call, then this is really going to impress your client. Second thing is that always be present, always reply your emails quickly, always reply your Skype or other messaging services quickly, and if they have any problem, tell them that okay, call me right now. So if something is urgent or something like that, your client is really going to trust you in all these urgent matters if you reply very fast. Now, which one is better, email, chat or direct call? Now, the direct call has the most priority. If you can call directly your client, this is really going to boost their trust with you. Okay, second thing is why emails are better. Emails are better when you need to write some proposal or some specifications of a project. Okay, or cost estimates of a project, or you need to give them some options to choose from. These are good on emails because you need some time to think about it. Now chats are good when you need something for urgently, like your client says, okay, I need my website is down, someone hacked my website, okay, try to fix it. So this is an urgent job. He might just message you or something like that, or if he is not able to reach you, he will message you, okay. So try to reply them as early as possible, like I will fix it in the morning, right now I'm sleeping, or something like that, okay. Now the key takeaways are that if you can't write very long email, just write them few words or 2 or 3 lines that I am working on it right now, just to satisfy them, okay. So it's human psychology. If someone replies you early, then you know that okay, something is happening, okay, I should be relaxed. Second takeaway is that don't discuss cost and specifications on call, okay. Sometimes when you do something like this, you might miss something, okay. So if your client says that I want logo design, web design, and a contact form working, or maybe e-commerce website, that's a very broad area, okay. So try to be more specific. Try to tell the client that I will do these and these things in this cost, okay. So this is better. Emails are better for specifications. Even if if I remember, I had a very big project from a crypto rate company, that's a Bitcoin company. Only thing that we worked with was email, okay. So I used to get a very long emails with attached documents, Word documents with a list of specifications. And that guy was, you can say he was some data scrapping or data mining engineer, or whatever he was. He used to write me very long specification for each step, even each portion of design. And we ended that project successfully because he was too specific on in his emails, and he was very best what he does, okay. So emails are better for specifications. They really can work miracles when used properly, okay. So keep all these points in mind. Now here are some fast response dirty tricks, okay. Now dirty means sometimes your clients are non-paying, or they don't reply you back after years, or maybe 6 months they don't pay you. Now the best thing about fast response is that if you get some urgent job, okay, you are going to get paid 2 or 3 times higher than your normal hourly rate or normal fixed rate, okay. Second thing is that good thing about fast response is that if you have a very bad client and he don't pays you on time in an urgent job, he is going to really pay you everything, okay. So email them back, please make the payment so I can fix your hacked website, okay. So it's a very urgent. He is going to pay you the last year's bill and also all the cost of the current project, okay. So just hit them hard when you are going to ask for payment. Ask good payment, and this is really going to help you when your response time is good, okay. So these kind of things happen a lot when you are freelancing. Now the key takeaways are that when you are doing something dirty with your clients, dirty means that you are using some cheap tricks or with your non-paying clients, then urgent situations and fast response is really going to help you. Second thing is that in urgent jobs, when you are responding very fast, you can easily get upfront payment. You can even get the whole payment upfront, okay. So be responsive. Keep in mind that this client can pay me very well, or he's in a very bad situation and take advantage of that bad situation, okay. So keep all these points in your mind. If you have any questions, ask me. Let's move on to the next lesson. Build your freelance career now by taking this course. It has more than 4 hours of video lectures and tons of freelancing resources and templates to get you started. Check out the discounted coupons and links to this course inside the description of this video below.